Hello all, welcome back. I got a little special one for you today. Doing a little unpackaging, something different. I got this when I bought the Rippa, but I have never even opened it or pulled it out of the package. So I figured I'd do a quick cover of it. There we go. There we go. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This thing's pretty neat. This is a rain cover for the Rippa R13 Pro. Pretty stoked. Let's go ahead and try and hook it up and see how it looks on there. Well, this should be an interesting one. We're going to give it a shot and see if we can figure out how to get this thing on there. It's actually really well made. It actually weighs a lot more than I thought it would. I thought it'd be a little flimsy, but it's not. Let's give it a shot. I got to figure out how it goes on there. Looks like we got a zipper down one side, so I'm going to go ahead and unzip up to there. I have no idea what I'm doing, just to let you know, so we're going to have to figure it out here. Kind of like wrestling a bear. I'm not sure if I have it on right or not. We'll figure it out as we go. Window. Man, your guys' guess is as good as mine here. All the sides look the same. I can't determine what's what here. Okay, we got Velcro window, Velcro window. Velcro window and Velcro window. Well, you guys tell me. This is definitely interesting. I thought maybe there'd be a cutout in one of the corners for the light. I was looking for that for the caution light, but I'm not seeing one, so I'm assuming the caution light gets covered as well. So let's go over and pull this corner. Whoa. Oh, that corner's already over there. Let me go back here behind you guys and look at it. There we go. I don't know. Do you think Rippa wording goes on the sides? So it's got a Velcro strap inside of it. I'm going to see if I can figure that out just a second. Well, I know I said I'd bring you guys along for the ride, so I'm trying to figure this out. It looks like this side has 3 straps. I don't know if you can see all of those in the camera. Let me back it up a little. Angle this down so you can see in there. There we go. But it looks like there's 3 of these straps that have clips in the middle. And I'm thinking these all go around the front dashboard and bar here. So I'm going to give that a whirl and see if it seems like it holds. And if you guys are thinking that I'm completely off my rocker, please say so in the comments. It'd be funny. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm being a complete dolt about this. Maybe that goes around the seat. I am not sure. It's also, I'll just give you guys a quick view of this. It's also got, let me get this over here. It's also got these, oh, come on, camera, cooperate. It's got these straps that go all the way around. I think those are to hold each of the windows up when you roll them up, when you open it. So I think that's what those are for, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm trying to figure it out. It does have a zipper on all 4 corners, so I guess I'm trying to figure out how you normally position it. So I'm going to move back and we'll see if we can get the front window flap configured here. See how this works. Let me go around to the other side. So it's got Velcro straps right up here, one on the inside and one on the outside. Not sure what's going on with this. Let's try rolling this up. Nope, that didn't work. Man, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's try this. Okay. It appears these Velcro straps are to hold the clear plastic up, but I don't know what you do with the flap other than leave it on top, which is a little interesting. Well, the front does not have, let me look at this. Yeah, there's no logo on the front on this part. I'm assuming this is the front because there's no logo. And then if you go around and look, it's got the logo on this side, the logo on here, and the logo in the back. Also, the caution light that's in the back right corner kind of holds the whole thing up, and they don't really have a way for that to pop through, so that's why it kind of sits a little awkward on there. I think it's okay, but it's just a little awkward, I guess you could say. I'm trying to get a better idea of how this is going to go, but I mean, it looks like it'll work fine. I'm just surprised there's not more straps that hold it on, but I guess the weight of it probably just keeps it on there. Once it's zipped up, it's not going anywhere. And this, you can just open up and leave open, or figure out a way to strap it. It's got ropes in the bottom corner, it looks like. That helps hold it together, I'm assuming. So if I untie this and untie this, and then I tie these, I mean, there's not any place you would really attach it, so let me tie this. Also, one other concern that I would have, you got to actually keep in consideration, is the back left of the Rippa has an exhaust, the exhaust for it that comes out. Let me show you that. I'm going to have to do some definite figuring out of this, but as you can see, the back corner, here's your exhaust port, which is going to get pretty warm, so I would think that it's possible it could actually burn the cover if you leave it on. So I am not 100% sure, but the best way to actually make the cover work around the exhaust for this. So that's probably the biggest concern I would have. We're going to have to come up with a solution for that. So I guess that's my probably biggest takeaways right now, is I think it'll work fine. I just have to figure out a way to pull it away from the exhaust when I'm using it. It looks like these straps on the front are what hold it to the bar. So when you're using it, you're going to want to attach the straps the way I did. I mean, based on what I'm seeing, I'm assuming that this is going to need the straps, the 3 straps wrapped around the dash. I'm assuming there's one down there, one here, and one here. And then you got your window. You can roll that up. You've got your zipper right here on either side, you can zip down to climb in. Sorry, my pants are falling down on me. So the overall, I mean, if I climb in this, I mean, it's not too bad. It's got a pretty good view. This seems to stay on here. It's pretty wide open. The bars up here kind of keep this from getting in your vision, so it keeps them out of the way. It's not too bad. I'm gonna climb back out real quick, and I want to adjust the windows and see what they do. All right. Here's the best solution I've got. I just folded this over and restuck the Velcro at the bottom of the flap to the top. And then it kind of hangs like a flap on all 3 sides. The top flap that covers the top up here, I just rolled up and stuck there. I'll probably have to lay it over the top. I'm not sure what the thought process was about how to get the flaps out of your way so you can see while you're using this thing, because the Velcro straps that they provide you work for the plastic, but they're on the inside, so when you take the flap up, there's nothing to attach it to that I'm finding. I mean, there's nothing anywhere, so I'm not sure what the thought process was behind putting these side flaps up. I don't know how they're thinking that that's going to work. It's kind of an interesting design. Not 100% on it yet. I mean, I think obviously it'll keep you dry. That's the whole point of this. But at the same time, it's interesting that they haven't thought about what to do with these flaps, or if they have, I'm just not finding it. So overall assessment, will it keep you dry? Yes. The functionality of it, I don't think has been completely thought through. I think that the exhaust being covered in the back isn't thought through. I think that the side flaps haven't been thought through. I think securing this to the actual machine with just these 3 straps in the front and the weight of it hanging off the sides, and then the only other thing is just tying these straps they have at the bottom corners here. I mean, really all you're doing is you're just tying them together to hold this together in the corners that you're not using as the door. Okay, I think I just swallowed a bug or something, but sorry about that. I think keeping you dry, it'll keep you dry. I think that's the whole point of it. When it rains, you want to throw the cover on and stay dry. But as far as the rest of the functionality of it, it's a little, I'm not sure. Like I said, I think the weight of it's good. I think a lot of things about it will work. Just gotta play with it a little bit when it actually rains and see. So I just wanted to do a quick overview of it. Like I said, I think the quality of it is really good. The zippers seem really heavy duty. I mean, they're like a 1/2 inch wide zippers on the windows and on all 4 corners. The material is very heavy and it's a nice thick material. I don't think that you're going to have a lot of issue, but as far as the light on the back, not having even a pop-up for it to fit into so that it can lay on the top perfect is a little odd. The exhaust, the flaps, those are probably the biggest takeaways from this so far. So I'll probably give you an update if I figure out how it works better, but for now, that's my review. If you like it, subscribe please. I'm just trying to give you guys ideas of things you can do when you get your Rippa R13. Thanks again, everyone. We'll talk to you later.